So I'm discussing a very important topic. So if anybody asking an interview question, how to download your LinkedIn profile. Suppose you're creating your own profile on LinkedIn. How to download your LinkedIn profile here. So why they asking by LinkedIn profile downloading is that suppose if you are getting for paid service on LinkedIn, we can download a lot of resume by LinkedIn. LinkedIn profile call your kind of resumes. Look here, just log in your profile. Just go to edit profile here. The option call is view profile. If you have download the LinkedIn profile option here, what is that? Edit option, click here. What is that? Save as PDF. We can share your profile also. Where? In social media and maybe anywhere. So I can click by what is called save by PDF format. Now we check. So here is downloaded here. Just will check. See here. You check the what is that? Name, experience, education, your skills. Right now I'm not filling anything. So based on skills, they give the complete resume will be there like this. Same like that, your resume type. But you have to mention the particular skills and everything will be mandatory. They're not showing your post. Only for your experience, your education, your qualifications. Same like your resume. First they show your profile name, contact email ID, and your designation, and your education, experience, and qualifications. Nothing but your skills. Is it clear? Simple. Go to view profile. The option call is save as the PDF here. You share your profile. The option will be share your profile on your by message on your LinkedIn friends. On your LinkedIn friends here. Is it clear? This is called two options. Share your profile and second thing is download your profile as a PDF format. PDF will be secured. Nobody can edit your profile.